Hey guys, it's Miss Winky. Here is your weekly plan for week 3 of Unit 1. So we're wrapping up Unit 1 on Georgia's geography this week, so it's time to review and assess what you know. So I am right here on the overview page, and I'm going to click on the plan for the week and take you to my version of the planner. Now, right now, my version of the planner is showing some stuff that's not visible yet on yours. I do have some things kind of on a timer for this week, but I want you to be able to get the whole picture at once, okay? So over here in the description, it tells you that you're going to complete the Unit 1 Get Your Facts Straight review. This is the review for the test that you're going to take this week. It does have a deadline associated with it that's earlier than our usual Friday at 4 p.m. I'd like you to finish this test review by Tuesday at 4 p.m. That will give you time to study if you finish it early, and it will also give me time to look over your work and give you guys an answer key that you can use to check your work. The reason that there's a deadline associated, or another reason why there's a deadline associated with it, is because I'm not sending the answer key to people who haven't finished the assignment. So I want to make sure that everybody's clear on what that deadline actually is. So if you want the answer key, you need it turned in by Tuesday at 4 p.m. because, it's not really fair for people that didn't do the work to get the answer key, now is it? After you've done that and you've gone over the correct answers, then there's going to be a Unit 1 Kahoot that you can use to study for this test. And on Wednesday, I'm going to host our first Georgia Studies live session on Wednesday at 3 so that we can play that Kahoot together. So if you're interested in doing that, then you'll see a note pop up on your planner with all those details on Wednesday just before 3 p.m. So once you've taken some time to study, then on Thursday morning, the Unit 1 test is going to show up in your folder. Part 1 and Part 2 will both be released on Thursday at 8 a.m. Part 1 is multiple choice. Part 2 is not multiple choice. You can decide how you want to do this. You can take both parts on the same day and be done, or you can take one part on Thursday and one part on Friday. Completely up to you. I'll let you decide how you want to budget your time. The only thing you have left once you finish those tests is going ahead and getting a head start on the Unit 2 vocab and people list. I'll release that list to you guys this week. And what I'd like for you to do is use the glossary, and I'm going to provide a link to the glossary for the Georgia Studies textbook, and define any vocabulary words that you can find in that glossary. And then whatever you've got left, don't worry about it yet. We'll pick up with that the following week when we start Unit 2. So that's the plan for this week. And if you look over here at resources and click on the Unit 1 Week 3 folder, they're not active yet, but you'll see links for everything that you need to wrap up Unit 1. So here's the start page. That's where you're going to find the video that I'm filming right now, along with a checklist for the week that tells you everything that you need to get done, okay? And then there's also a written version of this video down here at the bottom, okay? So check out the start page so that you can get started. And then you'll see the Get Your Facts Straight review assignment is there. A link to the Kahoot is there. There's a note here that'll have the link and everything you need to get into the live session on Wednesday, as well as links for Part 1 and Part 2 of the test. And then if you go back to the planner, you'll also see a link for the Unit 2 vocab and people list. So everything you need is there. I'm still waiting on, I think it's one person to take the vocab and places quiz from last week. And as soon as that person submits her work, then I can release everybody's scores. So just waiting on one person to get that in so that I can release those scores. And then that's pretty much all you guys are going to need, that and your test review, in order to get ready. So email me if you've got questions. I'm going to be updating the grade book as this week goes along as well, with some homework grades for you guys from the last 2 weeks, plus your quiz grades. Should be a pretty simple week as long as you study for your test. So shoot me an email if you've got questions, and I hope to talk to you at the live meeting on Wednesday. See you guys later. Bye.